You are so cute, and you're definitely not mute. Yeah, sweetie pie. I like that you have a smiley face in your belly. It's cute. I wish I had a smiley face on my belly. Yeah, I could get a tattoo, but you were born with yours. It's not a tattoo. No, you were born with a smiley face on your belly. Because you're happy. Like me. But I didn't have the smiley face on my belly, nor did Charlie, and he seems pretty happy. You're extra happy. Because you get extra love. You're my girl. Special girl. She's a pretty girl. Superstar jumping ninja girl. Charlie, don't be jealous. Come over here, buddy. I love you as well. I love both of you. Both of you. No, both of you. Yeah. I can't love one of you more. Because I love both of you. You're Charlie and Matilda. You're half of the Charlie and Matilda League. Meow. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. If you could say "Oh Long Johnson," I think it is, we'll be famous on YouTube. Try it. Oh Long Johnson. No, you have to say it like over and over for a minute. We'll be famous. A louder. Oh Long Johnson. I forget that video. You've seen it, right? You've seen it like 100 times. What are you watching on YouTube besides cat videos? Mamas and Papas? Okay. Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Is he trying to bite your butt? Don't bite her butt while I'm holding her. Charlie likes to bite her butt. Yeah, she doesn't like it all the time. Why are you yelling at Charlie? She does this all day long. She just talks. I think she's got Asperger's syndrome. I'm allowed to say that, by the way. She's definitely like on the spectrum somewhere. Charlie's the more normal one. Now, actually, it was kind of a humbling learning lesson when I first got Charlie and Matilda. Is every time I picked her up, she'd meow and like wave her legs like that. And I thought, oh, she doesn't like being picked up. And I'd put her back down every day, pick her up, a few times, and then I thought, oh my God, hold her back to my chest as if she was like an autistic child, and she likes it. It's a little humbling. Totally relate, baby. Crack me up. Totally relate. Totally relate. Charlie is not as talkative. You're so freaking cute. Ow. 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 Uh-oh. Oh Long Johnson, I think, is what you have to say. Oh Long Johnson. We need to be famous on YouTube. Shall I sing a duet? You're so silly. You and I, just like a couple of times. Oh, you're so silly. I love you. All the time. This much, by the way, if you're asking. Yeah. Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes. Hey, Charlie. He likes my singing. She does not as much. Hey, Charlie. He's gonna bite your butt. He's gonna bite your butt. He's gonna bite your butt. I gotta hold your butt up higher. He's gonna bite it. No, he's gonna bite your butt. He's gonna bite your butt. Charlie, why do you bite her butt? Why does it bite your butt? What? I didn't hear you. Fly me to the moon. Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Say nighty-night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you'll miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be. Dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear. Still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just sing this. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you. He's gonna bite her butt. Sweet dreams. Leave all worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. All of meow, why not take all of meow? Can you meow? I meow meow without meow. You took the meow that once was my meow. So why not take all of meow?